want to switch gears right now, talk about a local group that's just doing fantastic work in the community. Since 2009, SHoL.O.V.E has been paying it forward by encouraging students to find their purpose through life, opportunity, vision, and experience. With us now, SHoL.O.V.E's executive director and co-founder, Martha Stanley, and some other special guests as well. Good to see everybody this morning.
Hello. Good to see you.
So tell me, first of all, tell me about the program itself, how we got started, how all of you were impacted by this, and how everything works.
So, Stanley House of L.O.V.E is a nonprofit organization that was founded back in 2014. And one of the things we focus on is scholarships, giving back to our community to help recipients that are in low-income areas, especially a place that I'm familiar with because I was born and raised in Washington, D.C., grew up in Berry Farms. And so we target areas right in that area.
Tell me about when you started this.
Yes.
This was based on your own family, right? It's inspiration.
Yes, my mother was my inspiration. She was one who was very much involved in community, always did events to showcase children, families, and things of that nature. And so she was my inspiration. She passed back in 2009, and so that's when we actually kind of spearheaded everything.
All right, so that brings in other people involved.
Yes.
We have recipients, we have volunteers.
Yes.
So tell me about how this all works as a community.
Basically, when she decides to need us, to call us, we're doing another fundraiser, whether it's a fundraiser, whether it's an event, whether it's a scholarship giveaway. We've given away over almost 100 will be this year scholarships.
Which is incredible. And this is going to folks either to go to a trade school, college,
Yes.
right? Whatever it is, it's going to help them out.
Yes.
So what's that feeling like to be able to, either be part of the receiving end or the giving end of this?
Well, for me, it was the receiving end because I was the first recipient to receive a $500 scholarship. I was qualified because I came from a single-parent home. So since then, SHoL.O.V.E has been a great support system for everything that I'm doing. I work in the entertainment industry, and they've always supported me from behind the scenes and front of the scenes, everything. So it's been a great time being a part of such a great organization.
Yeah, LaDonna, by the way, I mean, I'm glad that you mentioned that as well, still being part of it, because that's part of what you want to do as well, right? You want to stay with somebody. You don't want to just give them a gift and say good luck with it.
You're right. Right.
Yes.
And it's generational.
Yeah, so tell me a little bit about how that works.
Okay, so you can actually donate on our website, stanleyhouseoflove.org. And so we thrive because of donations. And so we have people who have been donating from the beginning since we started, and actually beyond the scholarship, they'll ask, hey, can I follow this student? I've had ones who've donated and actually have gotten computers, books, in addition to their 4-year journey. So it's far beyond that.
So you can take it a little bit further than just that initial first step, right?
Absolutely, yes, sir.
I love it. Well, listen, I love the living testament here. I love that you guys have the volunteers who are working.
Yes.
I know that you're asking for donations, and we hope that people will respond to that to help out more people. Our friends at Eastern Automotive Group are trying to help you out as well, and they wanted to, you said the scholarship started about $500, right?
Yes.
Well, this is a check for $2,200, so hopefully that will get you a few more scholarships that you can hand out in the future to try to help more people in D.C.
Oh, this is awesome.
Is that going to help you guys?
Oh, it's going to help a great deal. We have an event coming up August 9th, Friday at Harmony Hall in Fort Washington, Maryland. So this will definitely help. Thank you, Eastern Motors.
It's so great. So that's from our friends at
you.
Eastern Automotive Group, and I hope it does help. I know you're doing a great job on your own, but we also know every little bit helps too.
Every little bit
to
helps.
continue through the community. So I thank you all for being here today.
Thank
if
you.
you would like to help, there's the website, of course, or you can find them on social media as well to just continue to pay it forward. Thank you, guys. Keep up the great work in the community.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. We're going to take a short break. Our social scene is up next.